Hi guys, I'm now here in Incheon Terminal 1, the international flight. I'm going to attend the convention. Actually, we are going to attend the convention, me with my Korean fellow na batchmate ko. And we're going to attend a convention in Taiwan, in Kaohsiung, the Pan-Pacific Continent Society. Hindi ko na vlog yung process kanina kasi gutom na ako. So, our flight is around 1:45 p.m. supposedly. And then, umalis ako ng bahay ng 10 a.m. And 1 hour kasi yung biyahe from Seoul to Incheon. So, nakarating ako dito ng 11:30. No? And then, doon ko na-realize na hindi ko pala nalagyan ng padlock yung luggage ko. Nasanay kasi ako na yung maliit kong luggage, yun yung ginagamit ko for hand carry. So, hindi ko talaga siya nilalagyan ng kandado. Ngayon, hindi na ako nagdala ng malaking baggage kasi 2 nights, 3 days lang naman. So, ang ginawa ko, yun yung ginamit ko, yung pang hand carry ko, yung maliit na luggage. Yun yung ginamit ko pang check-in baggage ko. Nakalimutan ko na wala nga palang padlock integrated dun sa maleta. So, ang nangyari, napabili pa ako ng kandado here. Buti na lang mayroon convenience store na may mga padlock. So, yun, bumili ako na lang dun para at least yung safety. Kasi hindi ko alam kung baka mabuksan yung luggage ko. Although wala namang importante doon. So, yun. Pero kahit na, kaysa mawala pa, magkalat doon sa plane or something or mabuksan ng ibang tao. Good morning! Di na ako nakapag-vlog masyado, last night because since na-delay yung flight namin, pagdating namin, tas traffic pa on the way to the gala dinner which we're supposed to attend to. And yun, so pagka-check-in namin sa hotel, nagpalit na lang kami ng damit. Tapos, dumiretso na kami dun sa gala dinner. So, just 30 minutes to change and check in. And yun, di na rin ako nakapag-nesting sa room. So, yun. And today is the first official day of the PPCS 2023. And let me show you what it looks like in the convention site when we get there. And let me show you the day 1 of my OOTD here in the PPCS 2023. So I have a black blazer from Uniqlo, and also this one is a dress which I got from Zalora, G2000 the brand, and shoes from Dr. Kong. The temperature now in Kaohsiung is around 25 to 30 degrees yung range ng temperature now. And syempre late na ako sa convention, pero wala no? So, maaga ako nagising, kaya lang napasarap yung kain ko ng breakfast. So, parang napatagal ako doon. So, yun. And then, syempre, nag-makeup pa ako and everything. Yun. And nag-film pa ako ng mga room tour and yun. Kasi nga, hindi ako nakapag-film kagabi dahil late na kaming nakarating due to the delayed flight. And then, may gala dinner pa last night. And let me show you here what the streets of Kaohsiung looks like. So, marami silang motorcycles and bicycles. Meron silang motorcycle lane. And then, napansin ko dito is yung mga pedestrian nila kapag tumatawid, kahit na maiksi lang yung pedestrian na crossing, mahaba yung time. So, umaabot siya ng 90 seconds per crossing na red to green stoplight. So yun. Parang Pilipinas din dito na hindi kasi sila masyado sumusunod sa traffic rules and regulations ng stoplight. Kasi kagabi, parang green yung yung pedestrian, and then nung tumawid ako parang meron pang motor na parang gusto kong pa masagasaan ako. So yun. Mas masunurin yung mga Korean sa traffic lights compared here. And then lumalampas sila doon sa pedestrian lane yung pag-stop nung car. Yun. Ito mall to. 8:30 supposedly yung opening ceremonies nung PPCS 2023. And 9 o'clock na, naglalakad pa ako papunta. So, the venue of the PPCS 2023 is on the Kaohsiung Exhibition Center. So, what is PPCS 2023? That is Pan-Pacific Continent Society. It is like a society na talks about incontinence, functional urology, and the members currently are Korea, Taiwan, Indonesia, Japan. So yun yung mga nakita ko sa gala dinner last night. And Philippines wala pa, but we're planning sana to join in the future so we can expand our knowledge and help the Filipino people. Dapat yata nagdala muna ako ng rubber shoes, and then saka ako nagtakong na lang dyan sa convention site. Medyo malayo din yung lakad Sasakit yung paa ko nito. So anyways, wala na, ayoko nang bumalik. Kaya tiisin na lang natin to. Maraming mga hotel here na maliliit So, kasi convention, near the convention center. So, maraming mga hotels around. Mayroong mga cranes here. Feel ko talaga Hong Kong. Here are the streets of Kaohsiung. It has a different feel than Seoul, no? I think it's more laid back here compared to Seoul. Yung mga alleyways, parang feel mo nasa Hong Kong. Feel ko nasa Hong Kong ako. Pero I think it depends naman kung ano na yung mga napuntahan mo. So, lumampas pala ako ng isang block. Sorry. So, I'm using Google Maps here. Sabi naman nila, Google Maps is the best map application for Taiwan. So, that's what I'm using. Since 2 nights and 3 days lang naman ako here in Kaohsiung, tinanong ko yung advice ng mga Taiwan urologists here if recommend pa kumuha ng transportation card or the EC money. Pero sabi niya hindi na daw kasi pang public transport naman yun. So, for subway and buses daw. And since majority of the time nandun naman kami sa convention site. So, yun. Ano ba to? Mali na naman. Hanap pala ako kanina. Labo naman ito. Labo naman ang Google Maps. Mas accurate si Naver Maps, no, in terms of sa Korea. Mas maganda yung ano niya parang direction where to walk compared to Google Maps. After 1 hour of getting lost, we're finally here. So we go to the 3rd floor. It's nice here, oh. Ganda. Ayan na, let's go to another registration. Here's my convention ID. And meron silang palute bag din here. So, mamaya tingnan natin kung ano meron doon. So, saan na ba tayo pupunta? Ito ang picture taking. And then, exhibit area. Punta na tayo sa lecture kasi sobrang daming breakout rooms. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Pero let's go to the main room, which is at 304. That's the main lecture hall. Meron siyang parang 3 na simultaneous sessions. So, nalilito ako kung saan ako pupunta. So, ito, ang daming breakout sessions. So, punta tayo sa 304A kasi yun yung topic na gusto ko. Yung 301 kasi, alam ko na yun eh, Eurolift. So, yun yung fellowship ko din. So, 304 na lang tayo. And mas maraming chairs and tables doon. So, mas okay kumain doon. Prof ko, sabi niya kanina, it's okay, you don't have to attend the whole thing. Parang gumanon siya. So, parang binibigyan na niya ako ng go signal na mag-travel around sa, sa Kaohsiung. Good morning! Today is the last day of the PPCS convention and also later is our flight back to Korea. And let me show you my look for today, and these are all Uniqlo. So Uniqlo blazer, Uniqlo top, and Uniqlo pants. I'm going to wear rubber shoes today because no time for quick get up after the convention, check out na. Wok fried rice, pineapple and shrimp.